This video will explain how to install, use, and remove tools within bars and pipes. When you first start using bars and pipes, your tool tray will be empty. To add tools, double-click on the hammer icon. Click and hold the tool you want, and drag it to the tool tray. Ideally, you want to store your most commonly used tools here. Bars and Pipes offers multiple tool trays for various uses. Let's say you are doing songs for rock and roll. If this is the main genre in which you work, I would recommend you store the tools for rock music in the main toolbox. But let's say you also write classical music on occasion. Double-click on the hammer icon again if you closed it earlier. With the toolbox window focused, right-click and select one of the other tool trays. We'll choose Tool Tray 1. An empty tray window will appear. Now from the toolbox, drag the tool you need for classical music into the Tool Tray 1 window. Tool trays are a handy way to streamline your MIDI compositions, especially when working with different genres of music. To install tools, double-click on the hammer icon and leave the window focused. Right-click and choose Install Tool from the drop-down menu. Find the tool you want. Click once on it and press the Load button. You'll see the new tool appear in the toolbox. This same procedure also works when you want to remove a tool. There are different ways to apply tools to a song. You can apply them to an entire song, with all tracks affected. Let's say you want to maximize the volume of every track. With the Doctor of Velocity tool showing in the toolbox, right-click, choose the Windows menu, and select Edit Pad Tool Controls. The Doctor of Velocity tool control bar will appear. Drag the slider all the way to right. Close the tool control bar. Click on all tracks. Now right-click and choose the group menu and pick 2 LIs. All tracks are now at maximum volume. What if you only need to toolize a portion of a track? First, double-click the track you want to work on. Go to the measure where you want the change to begin. Click and drag the left purple flag to the start of that measure. Now go to the last measure where you want the change to end. Click and drag the right purple flag to the end of that measure. Press Ctrl+T. Or, you can right-click, go to the Edit menu and choose Tool LIs. You can also make finer adjustments with a tool. Let's say you have a drum track and the snare is a little too loud. Double-click on the drum track. Go to the tool tray inside of that track and make sure the Doctor of Velocity tool is showing. Right-click and pick the Display menu. Select Edit Pad Tool Controls. The Doctor of Velocity tool control bar will appear. Drag the slider to 90. Close the tool control bar. You can also choose to leave the control bar open if you plan on making different changes to various notes. To affect a group of notes, click once on the tool icon and then on the lasso icon next to it. Left-click and hold, dragging a box around the notes. You can also toolize individual notes by selecting a tool and then left-clicking on those notes you wish to change. Keep in mind that some tools, such as the legato tool, will only work with the lasso or within a specified range. In the next video we will learn more about tools and how to incorporate them into a song.